All right, next feature. We have a KajGO. Mobile applications. We have two. One is for participants and general viewers, and we have a Menago is strictly for you as an organizer. I will deep dive for those later on. First of all, when people are want to register to your application, they have two ways: using web application or using our mobile application. The mobile applications are totally free. They can download anytime. They they don't need to even log in to just review, actually open it, the events and so on. But later on, they need to log in, create an account, and fulfill the form to register to your event. And after the registration, they they have some kind of options of some call it event mode. This is some kind of functionality that you have dedicated screen in the application where all information about your event is there. There's a map of participants. They can share post issues if they have a broken bike or whatever, and you can enable this mode just from here, right? And just one switch and this enabled. If this disabled, like here, on their mobile application, they will see their ticket, details of the participation, and that's all. They will have no options to go to the event mode. So let's enable it and go step by step. First of all, we can enable them. That's all. Give them possibility to enable GPS tracking. So they could have a possibility to enable option to send their GPS location to our servers that allow other participants to view where they are, their colleagues and other teams or teammates, right? Uh, Next are the posts like the blog. So whatever the people can write some post about their journey and other whatever they have in the mind. Then next one is issues. For example, if something's broken in your car, bike or whatever, you can issue a post to our platform, and other participants will see it. They will get a notification. Hey, there's a colleague nearby you that just raised a issue with the vehicle. Let's assume bike, right? And you can click that message, view where he is, even open a navigation to go to this point where the issue was raised. So also, if your event have this capability that people are driving are using some vehicle to move, you can enable this feature for them to make them easy to to work on the event. And of course, the same came with the map. You can enable or disable the main map in the event mode application. Here, disabling it will disable also the view of others' participation on the map. That's obvious. But if this is enabled, the map is showing where the other participants, they're showing the other routes you described in the route section, and all the other waypoints that was added to the map by you as organizer. The last two is strictly for the visibility of the participant by themselves. For example, you can enable the map where the road is visible, waypoints are visible, but the participant will not see other participants on the map. What is crucial for the events where you need to go by the road book, and you cannot, let's say, just copy paste the position order that to find some quest and fulfill it. For example, for 10 points. So you can enable that. So there'll be no visible at all. And the same is like the participant list. In event mode option, you are able to see all the participants of your event. For some reason, it's good because you can find on that page the participants of your colleagues, your friends, and add them to the friends and see them on the map. But in some cases, like the concerts or conference and so on, you don't want to have this list be available for everyone, right? So you can disable it. And at this moment, when I recording this tutorial, that's all. And those features maybe vary from the present as you're watching probably right now, but most of the case are covered all the time, right? So remember, when you're working with the KajGO mobile application, they go to this option and check if all of those functionality are fit your needs or not. And the last one is like Menago application. Description will come soon here to enable or disable some extra features, but in short, this is a mobile application for you as organizer to have similar capabilities as you have the event Menago here in the web page. So managing the participants scan the tickets, even the online ones, send notifications, and so on. Those all are already available. You can go to the store and just download it and log into your credentials, and then we can manage application from there. There will be also a separate video about those two mobile applications, so stay tuned and check our channel. So from the event mode perspective, that's all. So I will enable the tracking as we have a couple of days of event. We have issues we can post also enabled. And so I will enable everything because this kind of event we already created. Those features are fit in 100%, right? So we are changing this, making safe. That's all.